The bare minimum of a man. The standard. No less than that. Always striving for more. Why settle? Why settle for what's in front of me when I really know what I can get? And that's what it is. Doesn't mean I'm not grateful for my life. It just means that I prove to myself every single day that I'm worthy of it all. Let's get it. Alright boys, welcome to another segment of A Day in the Life of. Today we got a huge day coming up. I got my elite level content photo shoot with my boys Jake and Zach, who's coming all the way from Queensland. I've also about to go to Bondi this morning and tear it up, which Zach is also fucking coming. It's a huge day. We just sat down, it's like 5 a.m. now. I've already done my morning routine, I've already done my push-ups, I've already done my bagel, and I'm about to sit down and start working. I've already written down the task I'm gonna do this morning. I've already written the task I need to do this day, the specific needle moving task, part of my specific daily routine that I also give to my clients that one, move my life forward, and two, that I know will get me a step closer to the best fucking version of me. And that's the reason why a lot of men fall, bro. They don't have that planning, they don't have that system, they don't have that daily execution, that they hold themselves up to that high standard every day. And that's why they fall. That's why they're susceptible to their drinking, to their temptations, to their gronk mates that go out with them every week and they talk shit about one each other behind their back. But once you lock into a specific daily plan, the system, especially what I offer inside of my one-on-one coaching, where I sit down with my boys and I fucking dissect their lives, see what they can improve on, give them specific actions and get them so dialed in, bro, their life starts to change. But we're about to rip in. Huge fucking little workbook. Then we're gonna go to Bondi with one of the boys. And I've got my elite level dinner right after the gym session with our boys, and I'm treating my boys, bro. If you're an elite level one-on-one client of mine, I take care of your family. I can't wait for you boys to see how the day goes. So let's get it. Yeah. All right, just stopped at the lights real quick. I'm driving to one of the boys' house now. We're at the Alphaware. I'm so keen for today. I got my little meal prep in there too, because your boy can't obviously cheat on his diet. Like my lead client is actually meeting us at a Bondi. I told him to come around, meet some new faces, get connected, and that's what it is. Because so many good things are gonna start to come Zach's way now, because if he's investing into himself through my mentorship. So I don't want to be talking to you while fucking driving, but there's no excuse. Money's not an excuse, time's not an excuse. If you want it, we'll make it happen. Big love, I'll be talking to you guys soon. Yeah. Just about to pull out to Bondi with my boy Ivy, big dog. Hit him with it, hit him with it.
Alright, early mornings on Saturday.
That's
you
it.
gotta put in the work. Doesn't matter what time it is, we gotta put on the work on the days off, yeah?
Win the morning, win the day. Ivy was a big bender boy back in the day, same as me, the party lifestyle, all that. And we completely changed our lives from those old habits, those negative behaviors, to the positive ones. You gotta realize self-development's the way to go, don't you reckon?
100%, bro. Bro, I would never wake up and see this shit, you know what I mean? I would be in the room, pitch black, not even training, absolute messed up on drugs, you know what I mean? But now look at this. This is the time to seize the opportunity, set up the weekend, set up your day, the routine. It all starts here.
That's it. Connect with like-minded people, go in place, and that's what it is. You're the sum of the people you hang out with the most. And change starts within. You can't change your environment unless you first decide to change yourself. Let's get it. Reality, baby. You know what it is. Getting in that zone, brother. Just done fucking few sets of some pull-ups and that, or some push-ups. You just get in that zone, you get in that flow state. There's no problems that exist in your life when you're in that zone, you're in that flow state. You're at the level that you're becoming you. And you start to attract all the positive things in your life, all the good things in your life. I speak about it a lot. I, as a man, prove to myself that I'm worthy of all the good things in my life, by all the work that I do. Each set of pull-ups, everything amounts to something bigger, which I'm striving for every day. Just like got a version of me. Let's fucking go.
What's this? Hey!
Let's go. It's a big day today, yeah?
All day, baby. Big Ivy. All day, baby. All day, baby. Got Big Zuck in the house. Let's get it. Let's see it. Elite team from Queensland in the house, yo. Let them know with that. Yeah.
Split into 3 groups. A few of us will start on block 1. First of all, we'll all go through the warm-up. So I'll give a demonstration of the warm-up. 2 sets of that. That'll be the warm-up. Then we'll get into block 1. A group will do block 1, which is 12 to 15 dips. Here's a tricep. So this means it's just these 3 together. So it's no rest. 10 will be for like beginner level, 15 for hard. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 10. All the way to 10. 10 standard. And 10 wide. It's too easy for you to do 15. And then finish with 5 to 10 club.
Get a wind of this, where the money, what the business is, who you with the plug. Why talk to a nigga if it ain't about the money, who does that? Why talk to a nigga that I don't know, he might be the popo, or he might be down with the hot.
Yeah, come on! Stand by! All fucking day! Yeah! Is it 5 or 10 back? Yeah. Go! All together, come on!
Fuck you boys, last set, eh?
Maybe it's a deep.
Sure.
Fucking sweaty session, eh? The bare minimum of a man. The standard. No less than that. Always striving for more. Why settle? Why settle for what's in front of me when I really know what I can get? And that's what it is. Doesn't mean I'm not grateful for my life. It just means that I prove to myself every single day that I'm worthy of it all. Let's get it. So fucking bright, I can't even keep my eyes open. Successful session, outdoor little workout, this and that, feeling good, looking good, sun's out, guns out, and fucking
So you just get different avenues.
Bondi.
People will resonate with it.
That's what the fuck it is, living it up on a Saturday. Instead of being scared in bed, fucking hangover, we try to the late nights till the early mornings, and that's what the fuck it is, baby. Looking good, feeling good, big love, yeah.
It's a fucking soul, bro.
Bondi sorta just driving back now with that big dog fat session with the boys. What you reckon, bro?
Bro, that was a fucking tough session, bro. That was good session. Boys were pumping. It was good energy, bro. First time for you, come down, train that way, bro. Something different, eh?
Yeah, different than bodybuilding in the usual, eh?
Yeah.
You get humble, that's for sure. Once you go from weights to like back-to-back pull-ups, fucking chin-ups, push-ups, humbles you a little bit, but sometimes you gotta mix it up. If anyone listening out there struggling with connection, just go with one of your mates, go to the park, get into like a little bit of an outdoor workout. Not gonna be perfect progress, but as long as you're trying, as long as you're trying to improve, 1 week you might do all right, the next week you do a little bit better. You go out of your comfort zone and you meet new boys, because we met so many boys there today, and the next weekend I'm gonna go down, and you never know where those connections are gonna lead you. There's no point feeling stuck in life when there's so many opportunities out there, so many men that want to help you. That's it. Just whipped up some meal prepping and that. Got my chicken, my rice, my veg. I don't know if you can see it now, but those are all the stencil markups that we had when we got my tattoos. All down my leg sleeve, and that's also my brother right here. Jackson Tippett, the king, the one, the only, R.I.P. Fuck, what a life, eh? Anyway, whipped up some meal prepping. Had a little bit of time in the sun before. I'm about to go to the gym now, have a quick feed, and do my content video shoot. Hired a videographer for the day for the shoot to whip up some mad training videos and put them all together. Then we're gonna go to Cronulla, get a nice steak, obviously on me. I take care of my people, and that's what you get when you join the Rudy Garcia coaching community. Join my one-on-one, you get the best treatment there is from myself. You get me one-on-one, and then you get all this stuff too. Winning, baby. We're fucking winning. Got the macros on lock. Ever since we dropped my calories and my macros, gone from 2850 to 2550 now. Today's the first day I incorporated, so I've got my peak cut next Friday. Today is Saturday, so I've got 6 days till my peak cut. And we're gonna bring the best fucking package. That's what the fuck it is. So, session 1 fully done. I'm about to have this meal, have a coffee, and then I'll see you guys soon.
You niggas ain't ready for war. Ready for war. Ready for war. Ready for war, let my balls hang. You niggas ain't ready for war. Ready for war. Ready for war. Ready for war, let my balls hang.
These walls are closing in, this roof is caving in. But it's time to raise it then, your days are numbered like pages in my book of rhymes. Got 'em cooking, boy, this crooked mind of mine. Got 'em all shook and scared to look in my eyes. I stole that fucking clock, I took the time and I came up from behind and pretty much snuck up and fuck this game up. Better be careful when you bring my name up. Fuck this fame, that ain't what I came to claim. But the game ain't gonna be the same on the day that I leave it. But I swear one way or another, I'ma make these fucking haters believe it. I swear to God, won't spare to ride. I'm a man of my word, so your fucking head's better not.
Bro, tell me about Rudy and what he's done for you.
Rudy, I mean, if you haven't got a coach by now, what the fuck are you doing? He's the best investment I've ever made in terms of my fitness and mindset. There's 2 types of mindset that you can fucking have, and that's a victim or a victor.
Yeah.
Moment to moment, whichever one you fucking want. Victims is all about, oh, woe me, oh, poor me. It's too hard, it's too this, I've got no fucking time. Be a fucking victor, someone that's fucking ready to step up, take fucking action, any moment, any day. Get the fuck after it. Chase your fucking dreams. Why? Because if you're a victim, you're going nowhere in fucking life. So choose to be a victor. You get that opportunity every single fucking day. And Rudy, my man fucking Rudy, my coach, has helped me fucking become a victor. Because I used to be a victim. I used to be a pussy bitch. But now we're fucking taking over. Let's
go! Let's go!
Fucking training session done with the fellas. Content done.
let's
Looking
go.
good, feeling good, baby. What's happening? What do we think
how we
about,
do.
eh?
We're fucking winning.
That's it, all we do, eh?
All
Now
we
off to
do is
Cronulla,
win.
have a fat steak and enjoy. It's like us men. You do the work every single day, and then at night, if you want to enjoy yourself a little bit, have a steak with the boys after a hard day of grinding, learning, self-development. You deserve it all. You deserve it all, but how do you prove to yourself that you're worthy of it all? Through daily fucking work. Let them
Daily
know.
fucking work. It's a
That's
self-actualization of you putting in the work, having your daily process every single day, sticking to your commitments, showing yourself that you can look in the mirror one day to see the fucking results of all the hard work that you put in, day in, fucking day out.
That's it.
Consistency, bitch.
Get
Let's
heated,
fucking go.
motherfucker. Let them know. That's it, baby. See you boys soon. Yeah.
What do you reckon?
You're on.
So I just got back from dinner with Jake and with Zach, and I loved it. It was the result of all my sacrifice, the reason why I could go and have a dinner like that and actually enjoy and still stay on track for my goals going into peak week with my condition is the fact that I've planned for it. I put in the work during the day I was out in Bondi, and I brought my meal prep with me. There were boys having cake after the event. I could have had cake, but I had my meal with me. That was me putting in the work, me being proactive, and all those sacrifices during the day allowed me, after all my fucking work on myself, on my business, on my people, allowed me to be able to enjoy myself a little bit. And I knew subconsciously I earned it, I deserved it, I was worthy of it, and that's what the fuck it is. So I'm building something massive here. My one-on-one clients, my family, my community, and I know I've said it before, but I can't wait to see what this year has in store. So hopefully you boys will be in it for the big ride. the day ones, because I'm building this up into something massive that no one in Australia, coach like this in Australia, has ever done. I'm coming for it, and all my people are coming with me. The people that were there for me from the beginning, they're going to be the day ones, and they're going to create their own history. Like my client Jaden, he first signed up with me January last year. We got him so lean. Now he's about to quit his job, start coaching himself and go all in on his development and his brand. And I told him, I'm like, brother, you're going to be doing what I'm doing in no time. Let's get you the fuck away from New Zealand. Let's get you over in Australia, Sydney, and you'll see so many opportunities start to come your way. Even Zach, he lives in Brisbane, in Queensland, and just today alone, he came to the Bondi event because I invited him. Connections. The content shoot was insane as well. Another connection he made with the videographer and the dinner. And that's the law of proximity, being around people like me that got the connections, that got that drive, that motivation, that are going to keep you accountable, and that will make you go even fucking harder. And sometimes you got to get out of your comfort zone, get around people like me, because I've had to get around those people, and that's why I'm at the level I'm at now with my work ethic, with my drive, with my ambition. I'm always go. I've set my standards up to here, and that's the bare minimum. And hopefully you boys enjoyed that day in the life of video. There'll be a lot more of those coming, and big love. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let's get it. Yeah.